Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets, your trusted source for valuable investment insights, stock recommendations, and strategies to help you achieve financial freedom. Before we start, we kindly ask that you like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Let's get started. In today's video, we'll delve into the 7 best dividend stocks for lifelong investing. Dividend stocks, often characterized by their set-it-and-forget-it nature, possess an intrinsic appeal for investors seeking stable returns. These stocks, typically accompanied by regular dividend payments, signify the strength and stability of profitable enterprises keen on sharing their success with shareholders. Research conducted by the asset managers at Hartford Funds sheds light on the significant role dividends play in bolstering investment returns. Examining the performance of the S&P 500 since 1930, dividends have contributed a substantial 40% to the index's total return over a span of 93 years. Remarkably, dividend stocks have never endured a losing decade. The power of reinvesting dividends and harnessing the force of compounding is exemplified by the astounding growth potential they offer. For instance, a $10,000 investment in dividend stocks back in the day would have flourished into nearly $4.1 million today, dwarfing the returns from a comparable investment in the broader market index. Let's now explore 7 dividend-paying investments that have proven to be reliable over the long run and could secure a coveted place in your long-term investment portfolio. Number 1. ABM Industries. ABM Industries, a distinguished leader in the fields of janitorial services and facilities management, stands as an epitome of reliability within the realm of dividend investing. Renowned for its steadfast commitment to excellence, ABM consistently furnishes investors with a dependable income stream, thereby instilling a sense of security and stability in their investment portfolios. However, ABM transcends mere predictability. It possesses a propensity for pleasantly surprising investors with its exceptional financial performance. This assertion finds ample substantiation in its recent fourth-quarter earnings report, wherein ABM not only upheld its reputation for reliability, but also surpassed expectations, garnering the attention of investors and industry experts alike. This unanticipated upswing in performance underscores ABM's resilience and adaptability in navigating the intricacies of market dynamics. It serves as a testament to the company's adeptness in seizing opportunities and delivering substantial value to its shareholders, even amidst challenging economic conditions. As discerning investors continue their quest for steadfast income sources and enduring growth prospects, ABM Industries emerges as an unwavering choice. Balancing reliability with the occasional pleasant surprise, ABM epitomizes the quintessence of success in the realm of dividend investing. Number 2. York Water. For more than 2 centuries, York Water has maintained an unwavering dedication to its shareholders, setting a benchmark for unparalleled consistency in dividend payouts. As a regulated utility, York Water's trajectory of steady growth finds its foundation in a steadfast commitment to community service. Throughout its extensive history, York Water has consistently prioritized the needs of its shareholders, ensuring a reliable source of income through its dividend distributions. This unwavering commitment to financial stability has solidified York Water's reputation as a beacon of reliability in the investment landscape. Operating within the confines of regulatory oversight, York Water navigates its path with meticulous care, fostering sustainable growth while fulfilling its obligations to the communities it serves. By delivering essential services and maintaining a focus on long-term sustainability, York Water continues to earn the trust and confidence of both investors and stakeholders alike. York Water has demonstrated its resilience and persistent dedication to excellence through its ongoing heritage of shareholder value and community participation, even in the face of a constantly shifting economic context. York Water continues to be a solid option for investors looking for stable investment prospects, since it embodies the qualities of consistency and dependability in dividend investing. Number 3. Clorox. In the face of adversities including inflationary pressures and cyber threats, Clorox stands resolute as a dependable in the dividend investing arena. Bolstered by its diverse portfolio of household brands, Clorox steadfastly delivers consistent returns to its shareholders through a reliable dividend yield. Despite the prevailing challenges in the economic landscape, Clorox maintains its unwavering commitment to shareholder value. Through prudent management and strategic foresight, Clorox navigates turbulent waters with resilience, ensuring that its investors continue to reap the rewards of their investments. Clorox's enduring appeal lies in its ability to adapt and innovate amidst adversities, leveraging its extensive portfolio of household brands to weather economic storms. By staying attuned to consumer trends and market dynamics, Clorox remains well-positioned to sustain its dividend payouts and uphold its reputation as a reliable investment option. As investors seek stability and consistent returns in uncertain times, Clorox shines as a beacon of reliability in the dividend investing landscape. With its proven track record and unwavering commitment to shareholder value, Clorox continues to offer investors a dependable avenue for long-term wealth accumulation. Number 4. Kenva. As a spin-off from the prestigious Johnson & Johnson, Kenva comes with a wealth of dividend aristocracy history. Benefiting from its association with Johnson & Johnson, Kenva enters the market with a solid foundation of financial stability and a commitment to rewarding shareholders. Leveraging the credibility and success of its parent company, Kenva is poised to continue the tradition of dividend excellence, offering investors a reliable source of income and potential capital appreciation over time. The inclusion of iconic brands like Band-Aid and Tylenol in its portfolio further enhances Kenva's appeal to investors. These household names not only signify consumer trust and brand loyalty, but also underscore Kenva's potential for sustained growth and profitability in the competitive marketplace. For long-term investors seeking to build wealth through strategic investment decisions, Kenva represents a compelling opportunity. With its esteemed lineage, diverse portfolio of renowned brands, and a commitment to delivering value to shareholders, Kenva stands as a promising avenue for those aiming to secure generous returns over the years to come. Number 5. Zoetis. Zoetis emerges as a prominent provider of innovative animal health solutions in the thriving pet care market. With a strong portfolio that includes many different treatments and vaccines, Zoetis shows incredible tenacity even in the face of economic downturns, making it a desirable choice for dividend investors. As the demand for pet healthcare continues to soar, Zoetis stands at the forefront, offering innovative solutions to address the evolving needs of pet owners and veterinarians alike. Leveraging its extensive expertise and research capabilities, Zoetis remains steadfast in its commitment to advancing animal health, thereby solidifying its position as a premier player in the industry. Zoetis' ability to thrive in challenging economic conditions underscores its inherent strength and stability as an investment opportunity. With a diversified portfolio of products and services, Zoetis mitigates risks associated with market fluctuations, offering investors a reliable source of income through consistent dividend payouts. For investors seeking to capitalize on the growing pet care market while enjoying the benefits of dividend income, Zoetis presents a compelling choice with its unwavering focus on innovation, resilience in adverse economic climates, and commitment to delivering value to shareholders. Zoetis stands out as a promising investment option in the dynamic landscape of animal health. Number 6. Nextera Energy. As a prominent utility provider serving the vibrant state of Florida, Nextera Energy stands out as a beacon of reliability for investors seeking stability and growth. With a steadfast commitment to sustainability and innovation, Nextera Energy not only offers a stable income stream, but also presents the promise of significant growth in renewable energy initiatives. Amidst the challenges posed by inflationary pressures, Nextera Energy remains resilient, thanks to its strategic investments and forward-thinking approach. By prioritizing renewable energy sources and embracing technological advancements, Nextera Energy navigates the evolving energy landscape with confidence, positioning itself as a dependable choice for long-term investors. Nextera Energy's leadership in the renewable energy sector underscores its commitment to environmental sustainability, while also providing lucrative opportunities for investors. With a portfolio that encompasses wind, solar, and battery storage projects, Nextera Energy is well-equipped to capitalize on the transition towards clean energy solutions. For investors seeking stability, growth, and a commitment to sustainability, Nextera Energy represents an attractive investment opportunity. With its proven track record, strategic vision, and resilience in the face of economic challenges, Nextera Energy remains a reliable choice for those looking to secure their financial future in the long term. Number 7. Lam Research. Lam Research, a key player in the semiconductor manufacturing industry, is at the front of technological advancement and offers significant promise in a time of ceaseless innovation. Lam Research stands out as a strong option for investors looking for a timeless stock because of its unwavering commitment to increasing shareholder value through strategic initiatives like dividends and share repurchases. In an increasingly interconnected world reliant on semiconductor technology, Lam Research plays a vital role in enabling advancements across various industries. With its cutting-edge equipment and technology solutions, Lam Research empowers semiconductor manufacturers to meet the growing demands for faster, more efficient chips, driving progress and innovation forward. Moreover, Lam Research's commitment to returning value to its shareholders underscores its unwavering focus on long-term sustainability and growth. By prioritizing dividends and share repurchases, Lam Research demonstrates its confidence in its business model and its commitment to rewarding investors for their continued support and loyalty. As investors seek opportunities for stable, long-term growth in an ever-changing market landscape, Lam Research shines as a beacon of reliability and resilience. With its position as a key player in a critical industry and its commitment to delivering value to shareholders, Lam Research stands out as a compelling choice for those seeking a timeless stock to anchor their investment portfolios. As we've covered, dividend stocks are important cornerstones of stability and growth in any well-diversified investment portfolio. Through meticulous selection and care of these revenue-generating assets, investors can create a path towards financial security and prosperity. As investors navigate the complexities of the market, it's essential to recognize the enduring appeal of dividend stocks as reliable sources of income and potential capital appreciation. By carefully selecting and nurturing these revenue-generating assets, investors can pave the way towards financial security and prosperity. Remember, prudent investing requires diligence, patience, and a long-term perspective. Conduct thorough research, diversify your portfolio, and consult with a financial advisor to make informed decisions aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you found this information valuable, we invite you to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Your journey to financial freedom starts here, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Happy investing.